There is a silent thief in your room right now. You can't see him, but he's taking 7% of your life every single year. You work 40 hours a week, but you're only getting paid for 30. You save for a house. But the house moves further away every time you get close. Most people think they are bad with money. That's a lie. You're not bad with money, you're playing a game where the rules were written by the people who own the stadium. Today, we're going to look under the hood of the global economic engine to see exactly why it's designed to keep you on a treadmill and how to finally step off.
The mindset shift. In the next 20 minutes, we aren't just talking about saving on lattes.
We are dissecting the 3 pillars of financial enslavement. 1. The currency trap. 2. The debt spiral. And 3. The ownership chasm. By the time this video ends, you will understand the economy better than 90% of university graduates. More importantly, you'll know why working harder is the worst advice you've ever been given. Section 1. The currency trap, the silent tax. Let's look at 1971. This is the year the world changed, and most people didn't notice. Before 1971, money was backed by gold. It had a floor. After 1971, it became fiat, Latin for by decree. When the government needs more money, they don't just tax you. That would cause a riot.
Instead, they print it. When the supply of money goes up, the value of your hour of labor goes down. This is inflation. But a better name for it is the invisible tax.
If you have $10,000 in a savings account at 0.5% interest, and inflation is at 7%, you didn't save money. Section 2. The debt architecture.
Explain the debt-based economy.
Our modern economy isn't fueled by profit. It's fueled by debt. Most people think banks lend out the money other people deposit.
They don't. When you take out a loan, the bank creates that money out of thin air via fractional reserve banking.
The trap. You are trading your future time, years of work for created money today.
The system encourages buy now, pay later, because a person in debt is a predictable worker. A person in debt cannot quit. A person in debt is a loyal participant in the machine.
Section 3. Assets vs. labor, the ownership chasm.
Here is the secret the 1% knows. You cannot labor your way to wealth.
There are only 24 hours in a day. If your income is tied to your time, you have a ceiling. The wealthy focus on scalable assets. Labor, you work for money. Assets, money works for you.
While the working class is taxed on income up to 40-50 in some places, the wealthy are taxed on capital gains, which is often significantly lower. The tax code is literally a manual on how to be wealthy, but we are taught to read it as a burden.
Section 4. The education gap and the hidden crisis. Why didn't we learn this in school? Because the school system was designed during the Industrial Revolution to create compliant employees, not financial masters. We are taught how to calculate the area of a triangle, but not how to read a balance sheet.
This financial illiteracy is a feature, not a bug. If you don't understand the rules, you can't complain when you lose.
Section 5. The escape velocity, the solution. So, how do you escape? It's not about luck. It's about strategy. 1. Stop saving. Start investing. In a high inflation world, cash is trash. Move from currency to asset, stocks, real estate, or Bitcoin. 2. The skill stack.
Your job is your seed money. Use it to buy skills that decouple your income from your time coding, content creation, or automated systems.
3. Arbitrage the system. You earn in a strong currency, USD GBP, but live in a developing economy. You've already won half the battle. This is the digital nomad secret.
The system is designed to keep you small, but now you see the wires. You can't unsee this. You have two choices. Go back to the treadmill, or start building your own engine.
If you're ready to build, hit the subscribe button. We're going deep into the mechanics of wealth every week. Don't just work for the system, make the system work for you. See you in the next one. Please like, share and subscribe the channels.
Thank you.